Most of us throw bay leaves into food for flavor, then forget about them. But what happens if you boil them in water and drink before bed? The results are shocking. For thousands of years, bay leaves were used in Europe as medicine, not just spice. Healers brewed them to calm the body, clear the lungs, and fight infections. Bay leaf tea works as a natural relaxant. Before sleep, it helps reduce stress, quiets racing thoughts, and prepares the mind for rest. Struggling with bloating, gas, or indigestion? Drinking bay leaf water helps the stomach break down food smoothly and eases discomfort overnight. Studies suggest bay leaves may help regulate blood sugar, making them especially powerful for those struggling with cravings at night. The antioxidants and compounds in bay leaves support heart health, reducing cholesterol buildup and improving circulation while you sleep. It's simple. Just boil a few bay leaves in water for 10 minutes. The aroma itself feels calming, but the real magic begins when you drink it. Bay leaf steam and tea have long been used to open airways, clear mucus, and make breathing easier, especially during the night. This natural remedy has soothed countless people, helping them breathe freely and rest well. Imagine your lungs glowing clean and clear, working effortlessly to bring fresh air into your body. Painful joints, swollen muscles? Bay leaf tea works overnight as a gentle anti-inflammatory. To ease the body naturally. Your body repairs at night. Bay leaves give it an antioxidant shield, protecting your cells from aging and damage. This simple drink supports the liver and kidneys, helping flush toxins while you sleep so you wake up fresher. Starting your day with bay leaf water can really kickstart your digestion and help curb those sugar cravings. It's a simple, natural trick that many don't know about but can make a big difference for weight management. Just a few sips can support your body's balance and keep you feeling in control throughout the day. Give bay leaf water a try and discover this surprising secret weapon for your weight control journey. Struggle to stay asleep? The calming compounds in bay leaves may help you rest deeper and longer through the night. While you sleep, antioxidants from bay leaves support clear skin, reducing acne and giving a natural morning glow. Some traditions used bay leaf water on hair. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens roots, and reduces dandruff naturally. Bay leaves contain compounds that fight bacteria and viruses. Drinking it at night helps strengthen your immune system for the day ahead. The calming effect of bay leaf tea can reduce nighttime blood pressure spikes, helping your heart stay safe. Back in the day, people used to burn bay leaves to bring peace and protection into their homes. Even now, drinking a tea made from bay leaves before bedtime helps carry on that calming tradition. After drinking bay leaf tea, many report waking up with more energy, less heaviness, and a calmer stomach. It's just one simple leaf, but boiled in water before bed, it becomes a powerful remedy for the body, mind, and sleep. Late night cravings? Bay leaf tea helps reduce hunger hormones, keeping you from overeating before bed. Enjoy a warm cup to support your appetite control and sleep better through the night. Your liver works hardest at night, filtering and cleansing your blood. Bay leaf tea gives it natural support, helping to cleanse your blood more effectively. Struggling with cough or flu? Bay leaves are antimicrobial, helping reduce symptoms and speed recovery. They've been used for centuries as a natural remedy to soothe your throat and clear congestion. Packed with antioxidants, bay leaves slow aging, helping skin stay young and firm. Modern life is stressful. Bay leaf compounds lower cortisol, your stress hormone, letting the body fully relax. Ancient healers believed bay leaves sharpened the mind. Today, science shows they improve memory and focus. Bay leaves contain eugenol, a natural pain reliever. At night, it gently soothes body aches. Drinking bay leaf tea helps kidneys filter waste better, preventing stones and supporting long-term health. Bay leaf oils fight harmful bacteria and fungi, protecting your body while you rest. If you struggle with seasonal allergies, bay leaves may calm your airways and reduce irritation. For thousands of years, bay leaves symbolized victory and healing. Drinking them connects you to that ancient tradition. At the end of the day, 1 cup of boiled bay leaf water is a simple ritual, but the health rewards are truly powerful. Bay leaf tea soothes inflammation inside the gut, helping with issues like IBS, constipation, and stomach cramps. Compounds in bay leaves may help reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, protecting your arteries overnight. Bay leaves are loaded with minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron, helping your body recharge while you sleep. Beyond health, boiling bay leaves at night becomes a ritual, healing the body, calming the mind, and restoring balance. We often see bay leaves as just a flavor in food, something to toss away after cooking. But behind this simple leaf lies an ancient remedy, tested by time, backed by science, and full of healing power. From calming your stomach and lowering stress to cleansing your body and boosting sleep quality, this little leaf does a lot. Just 1 small cup before bed can make a world of difference for your well-being. So next time you see bay leaves in your kitchen, don't toss them aside. Boil them, sip them, and let this ancient secret heal you naturally while you rest.